Turning testimonials into visual case studies is a powerful way to showcase real-world success stories and build trust with your audience. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it in just a few easy steps, so you can start creating case studies that drive engagement and conversion. Stick around because I'll also be giving you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using to create these case studies. First, let's talk about why you should turn testimonials into visual case studies. Testimonials are great, but they can often get lost in a sea of text. By transforming them into visually engaging case studies, you give your audience something they can easily digest and relate to. Plus, visual content is more likely to be shared, increasing your reach. The first step is to gather your testimonials. Look for feedback that highlights a specific problem your client had, how your product or service solved it, and the results they saw. These testimonials should be rich in details, focusing on how your solution made a tangible impact. Once you've got a solid testimonial, it's time to choose a format. You can use video, animated slides, or a combination of both. Video is great because it adds a personal touch. Seeing a real person speak about their experience is powerful. If you're working with written testimonials, you can create an animated slideshow with text, images, and relevant icons to make it more engaging. Now, the key to making your testimonial feel like a case study is to add context. Don't just show the quote. Share the story behind it. Explain the challenges your client faced, the steps they took, and the specific results they achieved. The more detail you include, the more convincing your case study will be. Think about it like telling a story. Start with the problem, introduce your solution, and end with the positive outcome. Next, add visuals that reinforce the message. Use graphs, charts, or before and after images to illustrate the impact of your product or service. These visuals not only make the case study more compelling, but also help break up the text and make it easier to follow. Another crucial element is to keep your case study focused. Make sure it addresses a single problem and solution, so your audience can easily understand the value you're offering. Avoid cluttering the case study with too many details. Stick to the core elements that highlight your product's success. Once your case study is ready, share it. Post it on your website, share it on social media, and incorporate it into your email campaigns. The more places you showcase your case studies, the more likely you are to convert prospects into customers. If you're looking for a tool to streamline this process, the software we're using today is perfect for turning testimonials into polished visual case studies. It's simple to use and allows you to create professional-looking case studies in just minutes. You can follow along and try it out with an exclusive free trial, available only to viewers of my channel. Check out the link in the description to claim your free trial and start creating your own case studies today. To wrap up, the key takeaway is to transform your testimonials into visual case studies to make them more engaging and effective in showcasing your product's value. Start with a solid testimonial, add context, use visuals, and keep it focused. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description to make this process even easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.